Good afternoon, folks. We're live at 2:14. I got 16 spots here. Well, I'm going to get them while I'm down here. And we're running the third mini for the boss DT Vader. There he is. We got 7 winners. Top 6 win spots, as does last place win a spot in the main. Pasted my 16 entry list in here. Gonna roll the dice. Gotta get at least a 5. We got a 5, so we are just good to go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Again, we got 7 winners. Justin in the top spot for our first round with number 1. Gary round 2. Greg takes round 3 with number 4. Justin again on top in round 4, this time with number 16. Bringing us to the all-important final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Big spots up for grabs, and our winners are Matthew, Hans, Steven, Justin, Gary, Jason, and Matthew. Congratulations to all of our winners. Make it official, GUQWWW. There's our winners all right there. I'm done at 2:15, as you can see here. One more time, here's our list with all of our winners. Congratulations, guys. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in the main. We're getting close. Stay strong. Thanks, guys.